Right, Yema Abusiafa Kwaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumawood TV. And a fiada Yame I had on the 26th day in the month of June 2020. I can't say Vinyamre Nafi Yatumi Edin Komo Sinupi Kumawood TV. Shannon song. So we are live also on Facebook Kumawood TV and then on YouTube Sam Dakus TV. With me at live and so and then Vinyamre. Na yedi nkomo adopai the NDC amanyuku no omo National Communication Officer Sami Jamfi the former Trade and Industry Minister Ecospil Gabra and afi so Bogatanga Central Mrasebidwani Honorable Azika Dongo ene the team kabu mu amo se omo ko Tamahabo na eni Unipass and afi Icon issues asase boba ejodi moa omko yom ne ma se delay as na de bi wo mu no o ma ko tie mu yi mente mo wase because ma this script for be stormy wo e be nyamre ye be di the details ankasa se Unipass no kwa na ni mpanifo eye free wo freight forwarders no omo ha pa no ene se ya trans e be nyamre na yetumi ye di nkomo last week at this time na se wala sa ba bi o e wa ha sanso na Jackson so wa ha na ye di nkomo e de fa NPP primaries e ho NPP for primaries no so far you can say enema e na akwamu pa omo eyi noblemen a ejidi se omo be di amanyuku no animu akọ battle 2020 December 7 parliamentary elections ebi mu enso so mo nti omo ase nei ye were the regional organizer of the party NPP e wa ha ye no ebenyamre na ye di nkomo matter arising after NPP primaries so no say neck meeting koso na me yad mo china there will be an acclamation. Yebe acclaim His Excellency the President of the Republic and the Vice President Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. And you know, say NPP for almost 4 more years. Say almost sign back to Ghana for Jomutumwa. Almost sign Encontros. If you are ready to Hong Kong, we are. Afina ya TSCMU the Electoral Commission, Supreme Court, and the NDC. Enra the Vedita Eba Enra. We are sitting Katiabeka say yes, NDC Edin Kunim because court no are granted the leave na bill on the coin. Court not granted leave no the amount. So mubetimi NDC for ako na afi mo de old voter register no another voter card no aka ho. Enra ye di Hong Kong Accra. Deputation dey be brave. And they have be clear. Say court no ensem a mo kan ye no. Say CI 126 no. Die ewo mu no eno an yemfanya adwuma. That means the old voter ID card no kuta asese no untumi mfanka ho enkonkoto enkontwe wudi you betimi aya na se obenya ho passport ana se national ID card no eno no mienu ni ho a obepe obi a watwe ne dia wi o ye Ghana ni e wadi wanim akogaranti e de amount e ho nkomo ibenya mre na yetumi edi mistake no ko free hene e na e ba e bi mo se NDC General Secretary Johnson Sedin Katia and resign. His Excellency the President of the Republic former president sorry John Dramani Mahama Enra Okasaye was say udi ya opa e wo de asi no emu na omo disagree with the verdict no then so omo fa ne sa omo twen say omo benya the full details of the verdict and only free wa share NDC for Ghana for nyina say come Tuesday the 30th of this month e bietumu a Ghana for nyina nko no mko twemu din said e be ya e betumi enya a credible voter register net nda akwato aba atra de nyamre na edi nkoma seda enko enfama mo his herbal center Dr. Muhammad Isa Biu and afi so bi enko ema God's way casket omo na eso asne beto de jumadi no etumi e de abrem faje nche no ebra on 0543 596 070 ni nyamre entumi enkenkan emfa ema medin ade Michael Nana Adumako obetimi afrem say Mike me twa me homra sisi me ba the regional organizer for the NPP Francis Adumako Francois ewa sanso na Sir Wallace Abebiu administrator edema NDC Ashanti region ewa and afi Bianca Sami colleague Jackson and so ewa ebenyamre na yetumi edi enkomo yeba sisi ya Yes, I'm Abusian Fakwaba. I'm from Sinupi on Kumawood TV. We are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, and then on YouTube, Sam Darkus TV. Wait to me, share you so you think about my guest. Actually, say, I'm on my Kwaba now for you, shots here in the Jackson, a social commentator, a floating voter. Jackson Kwaba.
I don't want
office bako there.
Yami Adumako.
Yeah, course come.
Bibi Adanako.
Good. Sir Wallace Abebiu, administrator, NDC, Ashanti Region. Sir Kwaba.
Sir Mike, Nicholas.
Bibi Aboko.
Sir Mike, Ohanamo.
And a pamphlet.
Oh, a document.
Yeah, the red money. And if Franzo or somebody.
So you're not
okay. Right.
Also, King is a King, Mammy Dogging. Oh, you come on by.
Ura Francis Admacon, a Ashanti Regional Organizer for the SPP. Franzo Kwaba.
Yeah,
I don't know Kumbo.
what are the effort?
Medas.
The first time I did my head. Now, I said, no, the name said, never be share.
Say what?
So, Wallace. Maybe I didn't have a one of well, seriously.
Okay.
Because and then we are not going to be an energy for a woman.
I didn't listen to a woman.
Ah! And was a woman who wants to chrome head. Ah! But as a woman, she can't know. Say, one. Part in watch it too.
Okay.
Your woman is a Katia. Any lawyers.
Okay.
Who could now call court? And now. Ah, what was say? Supreme Court at Joe Master not to one side.
Okay.
Woman, I lawyer so. Say, I said because they're a lawyer, I see the Katia.
If you don't worry, and I said when you said granted no crime. Your crown, no soprano, you should have a crack, and you take granted near Casavia. But later, the who says, yes, sir, subject to review.
Yeah. Share the time difference between time and judgment in the Bible. Anytime I see the
because media, no, yeah, only how you. Yeah,
and you know, the best he could have done was the affair of what's near her judgments near the day. Already, a war bab on tea and opinion, sir. The winning or your winning. The winning or your winning.
Ever, rather, ever, even ready to home. My member, the NP, the man who couldn't deny Yako. A central agent, he said, the actor money no you lose the first vice chairman of the party in a central region. Second vice chairman, sorry. The party remove Bill. What's some party no say no experience is so
or a former regional communication director.
Okay.
About regional secretary. When you know Marco 2 solid years.
Wow, impressive.
Yes. I feel all
second
vice. Ah, today Biano, the foot or the my I said your platform, regional executive platform. I said, oh, Pebubia, Pembiano, percentage several platforms. I said, I have a yard to the extent say the last time I'm in this year, just last week, 19th of June.
Okay.
Regional executive meeting. I hear the Nakotana say, the day before, you call various constituencies about the acclamation. Only a little tepper, half an hour.
Okay.
Where acclamation, or a Musuleho, or on Pools. Or come by, and not sure so, a platform so, everything was successful. I actually next Sunday, Father's Day. Well, no, the number 2 was a happy Father's Day to all men on the platform.
Wow.
And they cry, oh, Chairman, what is in for us? So, this week, Wednesday, whom said Wednesday, we talk about fathers. And I would to was said, who was our chapter. You will return to one of those normal. Thursday, EMBT, all the various aspirants are already there. Any MPs, no. But what was said, you know all that well. And I'm a ground to say, oh, I wish you a speedy work. Then, Thursday, and then Friday. Anapa to ahomachini when that calls. Before to say, they are what in the correct. I'm saying then I'm what here in the correct. But the active person could do, I'm saying, unless I'm putting away. You say, but say, sir, if somebody had told me, say, you're a some kudu will pass on, I will never believe it. This is the greatest shock I've ever had this particular year. But if you are looking at somebody who have, they say, oh, per party, about training of training, sir. So be over to training party for power, which means I'm putting free. Remember, of course, retirement to tell you, with training. Okay. Or name, my baby. Open one try the acha, let me tell you Chinese are, there's a way there. Oh, I said, part of your way there. So, oh, your lecturer. They come out from with a way lecturer. Or can learn from teaching. And make us learn from teaching. I try the acha because, but comparatively, Papa, Sawalas, me was secondary school as a student, not Charlie. But now we didn't know any that till say. Am I yourself the new one in this year? That's that. No, when I'm a cons for me. That's right. And I'm assuming I'm science background. That's that. Now I have moved from the science background to the university behind the chair. I don't know the chair. The chair there are three tertiary institutions. Okay. Technical University, Here University, and a Central University. But you know, maybe the work can say. Some could do the mission for anyone. For now, we know the real cause, but the matter is pressure. The matter mission for party now. And we say, party one way at that, they want to be something in local. Man, 15. I year come up, the party now had done one penny sound. Oh, he was a father to some of us. Yes. Party now, only she had been come out. Party now had done. I think said this was a sign that I said, when you say nearly elbow. Oh, say, I feel all that over the year. Oh, because you was some for place. And I also for the place. We have catch a party for say. Let me have before place. Now we do some party. Okay. We not here. Cover the person. Let me have word and power. Because the more party no enter power action. Every day about every day about me. Not if you are so for you. Of course, you drink bank money back. Oh, some one as well. Or quite drink bank money back. Party because of a near man, some could do. Why you would say party with executive this year. Now I say with my and the was saying that near man is just a because of I believe say the nurse would job any for and then my. We'll see how best we make sure that right. Eguso Edin Komo on Kumawood TV, Sinupi, Francois, and our Teninka, Abusiafo, Modesia Pa, and Urasam Kudu, former second vice chairman of the NPP in Ashanti region. My party, Manina, so shedding Pa. My main chassis and free Jackson. My 5 minutes. Yenin Komo, NPP primaries. Last week now we have prediction be a year we have seen the bear moon shocks be a woman here. And then currently JB Dankwa should be also a petition regional. Me drew one of the bush and said Osaka. Say Rainbow Star of the Banu should be no dear. Omunin Minty.
Many amedasi na meda ahwefo so a majebre meda many anom panyefo so am ne omahia so am obi akwaba. So share party no NPP party primaries omko largely me feel say was quite successful. Party won say I can see mu dey obi awo the way on the strategy too. It is a way that only a strategies be or hand my and I was any part to me for fortifying itself with in any pending election as a be a person. It is Uncle Yamawa, Rambo Star and any dear. Obediano no. There Rambo Star and you won't see your teacher be on Fampum. See a man too. Inti fine.
But JB Diano, Subidiano, I say, I'm only in Jansen or Toso. Jabaton Basora, somewhere around there to walk. That I say in Jansen, that's why band will be called Crabras. That's what.
Sure. Okay. I know the party affair, so I wouldn't want to dwell much on it, but I know the party rep why do bet me I can answer. But may share shocks be back a crane hooping about 40 incumbent almost seats.
Is it correct? 41.
41 is 41 to say no. Almost seat. And oh, Shana children now here because oh any money but oh Shana from a different perspective. A substitution and a party now, you know. The party delegates are more like coaches. Because prior to last year, ending of last year, University of Ghana Science Political Science Department 4-year research be by say a koto abande yeah majority of MPs will lose. It may be party no so share say team now no more born baby e kaka kono. See the more na ejira hono masi akanya one way ya yen nya baby amfa. Any ombe as law requires na some party structures near require no eduru hono ma we have to make amends na ye change nipa ni bi ye de mojamu no frafrem na eboa ma yetimi hold on to ye victory so what you say enti oho enti based many people say based on that premise ntina omo hear that huge substitution no but the other thing say omo so ye ka so omo a ye yi omo si nchan no the style eno na di kokoro mu ne ba no
Fine pass you nesin.
Eno na di akoro but kabo obo de football we political party say football in my opinion it's a football coach no teach no sha nipa we ahwa na obi abu ni nem na shock yen nti betran chen for this match no obi nko but kwanya obema nipa na te ase the reason tia we ba out we income arrangement nti me de omo ka say party na disenfranchise e bi mo political fortunes no me as a political influencer me as an independent observer me hwe ne man from that I say wonya anoba bi say ye koto abasisi a ne bebre na be lusu ti bebre be lusu a obi enu a ode ne akoko ode fence obi an na ba ko eye iba koko Japan say ntumika so the party has tried the part
Say majority leader and some gurus in the party are happy.
Mama can show. So same way.
Mama pa man somra. No pay any information say oko porter say mentem was because so. We just want to understand exactly Unipass no say the city ntia ama mentem was say aba a various sport. Mama Millicent Payman ono Ghana port agent or mutitani. Mama what say nka e mo abia nyumre. Hello. Auntie Melissa. Hello. Okay, I think sir number.
Okay. Enti sir honorable chairman Sabon.
Hello madam, what menka?
Never trying.
Good. Where the boy ne ahwe for kakra. Unipass and have integrated custom management system wa eba airport no. Dia pa na kire. Mo so amoye freight forwarders. Mo so no how be pa e na dia bre mo aminte mo ase e ko so.
Okay, me da me one mo tie ko nyase. Issue a Unipass say icons ne dia ba ne say. We are not going to the electronic way because system na already there. And moreover, so if you are an duty because of the community a long queue. Okay, let me come to the system itself, the Unipass or the iPhone system. If you are an file in, look at a car now or the bar. First, let me be the CCVR. But that's any CCVR now, I'm not back. Now, after the next stage, about entry, a banner of the duty. If you are an process, a new hobby. If you are over push straight to entry, Now it means filing in one car for a 2 weeks or more. Only more people be out with me after and let's see a man, let the Musa assuming and attacking. Or the people on the points are spending and like I entry. After and they about make me here this morning. Oko terminal and so Agapo and answer MPS and other terminals. Before all those here on the terminal charges no plan. I even have videos of it. Line 2, 50 and more is not been able to pay the terminal rent and at the terminal charges which need the container a kilo, you see how your home. You see, able to need the container to take about 3 or 4 days. And which means each year charges now to work for your home. We do inside one so up and down some minutes because it's manual maintenance. I just want to be minutes if you have no alcohol from one office to another. So one container, it will take you more than clearance and public make it about a week.
Not just say a delay nunti process a delay nuntina a habu ya na say moon say ebia or how Kasabi as I wait.
What is the first not DC net level? Asa sai unipass and asa icons nearby. So I reference DC net no if you want them kakran and I'm master or how we tracy. It looks like meaning someone know me my year, but it looks like the system is not helping because it's all filing in one document and after one consignment on a container. Let's take you more than like 3 weeks to 1 month for you to do the clearance. First, it's accumulating the mortgage and the shipping line.
Okay.
Secondly, terminal rent. And it all goes up to the importers or clients on the importation. But what?
Sorry, now better me say suggestions being and I'm a day man penny for the bear. You say, urban is night or how, and a day air but near Musunti. And I be penny for so and I'm more from Janet to the icon, and I say, we got a unipass no. Until almost my human channel, what would be their suggestion to the authorities? Said a bear or move to me at Tony May. Now, how a day air banner, and maybe I know the numbers of my NDC, a man company for a porter in the security for, and I'm the cobos or her, a crack, you know. Right, my man, some now, so now.
I'm saying the guy can say a party no, as a manukuno, a quasi omanim, about to walk with your manimo, and into my own necessary changes. Eddie be a camp.
My man, Millicent, go be. I think Melina may be Busa with the track to say, Mona, my human channel. Suggestions by an amode Emma said the Bayer, Benefobitia, a bit me a boy.
If I want to really government idea, the paperwork and I say applications are all finished for we anymore. Almost like good time gave me you back near other institutions. Almost as a baby, and looks like it's not going anywhere. I know because Carlos and him crime about port where the moon sign in the head. There are demonstrations and other stuff, but still the situation is still the same. In the and the airport, no more immediately, I think it will go far and there. If it hadn't gotten to the president, I am for president for. No, say we are willing like in the customer station importers air broker. Yes, taking a day, yeah, but it's not going anywhere.
And moving here, say, best I quit. I call Janet Nusubiwana.
Because I let you have a view.
Because I said, and moving here, say, best I go back to the Janet and
what's the line in
sorry, Mr. And moving here, say, your best I go back to the Janet and
hello.
What all right, maybe I said, and moving here, said, your best I quit. Somebody for some inchi. Yes, Uncle Janet to be one.
But also, when you say they go back to the old system, Nana.
Yes.
Is that what you're asking?
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
Oh yes. It's very, very possible and fine for us to go back to the old system. Because within the old system, we file a document and then the manual issue. It has to do with the system, network. Then the way you are. But when the manual, also mature. Bibi also mature. We be like lecture. The demo be like lecture. Bibi and young.
Oh, okay.
It's any waste time.
Okay. Me never, you know, see, any penny for me didn't come on. Near him, one with me at the above. That's far.
Okay, let me that.
Right. Many president at the Ghana Port and Harbour agents. Millicent Freeman and I never got didn't come on. Indeed, more how pa said yet now, and Yaman is here. No, I could delay on Yama, never move ye and 3 months. So process no and then we are a man times not also be two who be said to penalty to rate, and I think the government has to work on it. Last time Carlos and the minister Kasa Epo or move through Wabana solution be but the head most happen for me I resolve that issue. Jackson.
Yeah. I think so we interrupted over some flow kakra.
Me more for 2 minutes now.
Hey, that's only on the work cook be crowd. No, 5 minutes and you start here I was saying well, Samidi kaka ba kona the problem I obenya won say the mode of substitution no. Kwan a obeyi bi afrim e di bi abeka ho. Eno na say one ma level playing ground ambem. Na one sans one cheche nipa ne mu yie. Why am feel say nipa we kwa emwaye. Nipa we kwa na beboaye. So one ma e ho na ekoye say ya wura bi mu ka wa afa na beti. Ya ye bi mu Rambo Star dia fa bi kwan bi so a emwa na say the sim say bi ta mpanifo bi ta e bi achi e wa ba ye kwato na say level playing ground one ye mu tu wie na mu yi mu best no crampo na one e wo say do sunsun ni support the no and ha no ho na e din nsem bebre but back to asma kan e fa honorable chairman Sabonsu me feel say waka na adwene de now so he had the opportunity to have saved the situation or per se or express worry no sir oye government minister in parliament nti wona wonim parliamentarians no especially omo no mo key friends committees no almost high ranking and chairpersons e wo so no na wonim mo modern mo nti aba ne say per se save nkofo bi a per se nkofo bi call no post we input is very crucial the other can ewom nti nipa bi no mo hono ma or express say metis wa express say ne worried efa honorable SCB ne Abdallah Moni Adi matis wakasa Abdallah very brilliant honorable SCB awesome
SCB dey SCB you
say
Makasibe
ye boa Makasibe ye boa matis wakasa very very refined finance person obomo nti dey ntina sa nipa we afo say ne impact and input in a parliamentary business e boa party no went me nin command kwa animu kakra champion for say even though we are protecting certain seats before say nipa we najuma here no a very core to majuma mayor of parliament
oh yes so protecting seats be
no say seats ni bo mo ka on oppose be a protected seat
e go how obi ko contest obi fale
e bo also a party no e bo also a party no ma e bo obi an contest e different omo aye ka sa ho de ye nto aba no so nye bia na to aba no nti omo a party no hierarchy rank and file na gitum sep seat we dey obi an contest wo mo no na ko honorable chairman Sabonsu e wo ho kwan se otimi pato mba o kwan se otimi di nkomo kwa achire na party ni mpanifo hunu nie nti a say nipa miensa wa expressing a worried of their exiting parliament no ko betimi aka bibi aboa but one ka na a free for all fight na fe eba no say nipa bia you can trust on their abilities and their capacities and their capabilities. That's how funny film. Now be expressive worried. Before say it's too late.
Right. Egusu din komo on Sinopi. Kwadwen Chebra na nyamra nkama we screen ni numbers ni go WhatsApp and friends so adaroma kwadwen chene so ni nyamre enkinkan enfa. Say walas. Mamra ho. Me pese me dimu nyina mu hinu na me ko bi ono because there will be issues bi am be raise here. Ono no being the regional organizer no has to respond to that. No.
MPP one almost say so last you said you can get but have it can say 1 or 2 3 yeah
and you like you said they'll come back. One of them is today boy. New Gavin. Sack. And also a bear must say you can na okay said you want to raise when you call you the new baby a woman as how you keep your bribes man in the legitimate. Was the NPP primary. The feeder candidate takes back 250 bicycles in the league to delegates and party executives. Apparently, Eric Kumawood and was safe. Or my delegates, no cycles, Maku, or had not been 250. Was it cycle Bakudia boy at 300, 3 million? And was added 2 million P almost 5 million. Would you multiply 250? Oh, 125,000. 1 billion 250 million of the old currency. I say yearly, Ghana revenue for cheap. No declared added source of income, no taxes and fear. Because for him to have got that much money in India, and I guess we will go. Yeah, your word is say. Sackers now according to Sackers, bicycles, on some confirm on yes, and also Sackers and Lima, a winning bonus. We win here, and they all there. And yes, and you're losing bonus, and he don't win yet. Mr. Wara, I spent over 1 million Ghana cedis. And also 2 million, and the also 2 million. Gave each delegate 700 Ghana cedis on D-Day, Dr. Kissy. Incumbent no, and on war contesting, and was one day 1 million Ghana cedis. In Baba, yeah, 700 cedis. You go back to 700. You can't come 1 million, 10 billion. Overseas. Some of them years come on. When I say we will, now if you can dole out 10 billion,
I don't know you did it in one.
D-Day was 700 cities on each delegate. But before D-Day, not just say, what you as well. Eti income they say the taxes say you pay me the means and I mean now why you so to you lose you on the MPP primaries supporter of defeated and so to aspirant in both cases on delegates. Okay, was when you agree defeating or desire Emmanuel Lamptey when you are 294 and a doctor in your 324. Also, no be 1,000 Ghana cedis. I don't know what
10 million.
10 million. You go back to Biao. I think you've already did delegates, no? 10 million, 10 million, 10 million, 10 million. And Sana, the other candidate, we are 7 million, 7 million, 7 million. Hey, it will not say, Sikana Edima. Who the Cosset will be a moi. Now, Manu. The all can now, all the MVP, within there, not bring Sika 7 to 1. Na what would you do? Was he a duma with this carrier? You move here, you move. I didn't know officer. One more say, delegates break in at New Derby, baby, I can't say, Marcus Bay, $1,000 each. Marcus Bay, what you pay $1,000 each. According to information gathered, while contender Michael Ochiri Buffy is splashing 4,000 Ghana cedis to each delegate. Incumbent Mark Asibeyeboa is giving $1,000 each. $1,000 is 6,000 Ghana cedis. 60 million. Hey. And some of the other candidates, you know, so I'm at 4,000.
Oh, boy.
Into delegates, no free for Abba. No, we have 10,000 Ghana cedis. 100 million. Marcus Asibeyeboa, $1,000 each. Parliament said there's a committee on finance. So what are we saying?
Yeah,
Chama.
And I want to, on the music, was in the Americans kind of media. We are already 1,000. at the end of it all, who's they say, and so what lose you?
We a new. A new, your boss in an is secretary Akoso, our battle.
Maybe they
a new one,
$1,000.
A BC and this mother
$1,000 each.
You Benyan with a trial.
And I mean,
Rasubara, a quarter lesson.
So we have 500 or so, more 500.
So it means that oh, my piano.
Oh, the 500 that they say they have before $1,000. Having 60 million and 5 million. How do you compare apples to one? 5 million and 60 million. One more children here has the global so automatic. I gave the delegate 550 that global game tabletop frames class 1,000 Ghana each delegate. That is global. Now, so transport minister. Kasa. Umubia 10 million. No samano. Tabletop refrigerator. Emo. Ukunya sama. That is global. Ukunya no. Shall we? See there. I didn't like an original minister.
Which region?
Northwest. I said Western North.
Western North. Good. Baby, and your super pie.
I don't know.
Member of Parliament.
There are talented teams in MPP.
King's level, what did you do?
I don't know. Angry regional minister Fields. The Western North regional minister, Mr. Kingsley Abuadi has chastised his own party, the New Patriotic Party, for what he described as broad day thievery in the parliamentary primaries ongoing across the country. See, the minister is currently the member of parliament for the Bebiani and Nyaso, the Kwai constituency of the Western region.
On it, George Obey.
Yeah,
former CEO.
Contaminated that they.
You don't have an evidence.
I didn't report now. I am report now on the contaminated, they say, you walk no bill from
I called 2 minutes.
Bill for a buy, look like one. So this will
Or resign.
I say, I resign. Also, on first came here and was in a more informal. And I, it's a COVID. And I so, the Americans say, I'm a combat, let's only doctor. Was it then? MPP primaries was an auction, not election. Auction is a good double, the high bidder. With 1,000, we have 2,000, only I guess.
Who's your do?
Many
John Kuma.
The American say, Dr. Becker, initially, they say, also do me so much later. And I based on that, you know, Kumasi, Yamama. 4,000. You be one so do 5,000. And there is also calling
7.
Also come 5,000. The delegates will be able to get 10,000 Ghana.
That was this way.
This way, and I take what I say. 100 million. That would be a mass per day. 50 million. Now, just a woman's kind of here. Where your friend say, I didn't know a money crash. Okay. Democracy, MPP for money, crassy. Almost very, and I bet the normal house the MPP primaries. Supporters of defeated aspirants threatened to ban Williamson Party office. I said, "One Jessica, and I am watching years, and we will almost see over party office." Yeah, quite a promise. Susanna, my name will be a seal. Mammy, what on was me from? Was me from my mamma something. Or no, you are the mine. I don't know, Lucy. Or Lucy, deep freezers. No, the mine, no, we are also beer from the deep freezer. Beer from my mammy, and no. Then is it for mammy? I never see from deep freezers. Now, how about that? So correct, remember? If you just correct. Deputy Regional Secretary. Anyway, MPP decides aspirant brutalized, face blooded by military officers. Deputy Regional Secretary Yakob Brim Nama, Nenimina Soswa. ɛni ɛmɛ ɛkɔ so wɔn pɛ ɔkɔ kan yɛ a asogyafoɔ ni apolisi.
Angolas mɛ na ase mɛ saba ɛyɛ.
Onim adala maame nfa adala nto nkyɛn yɛ ɔkan sɛ adala yɛ very good bi wɔ ɛtiri mi nsɛm wɔ ɔkan sɛ bi wɔ. Video clip na wɔn de gu bia ɔfin so ɛwɔ ha fa wɔn mu nkyɛn. Wɔn so wɔn yɛ akora wɔ ɔtim sese na ɔyɛ tani yɛn pɛ tani bia obi si obi wɔn firi ɔsɛ ma ka ɔyɛ tani nti yɛn pɛ no. Swami, kwada so. Samuel.
Niama.
Idi mi ya Samuel. Samui. Samui. S-A-M-U-I.
Okay.
Ɛna kwada so asa before no sɛ Samui no yɛ tani. Nti sɛ deɛ ɔmo de hwɛ ɔfin so kaa sɛ Abdallah yɛ tani. I thought Abdallah had been to lower Caesar Fasi. Very nice gentleman. Ɔmo de Traba.
Angolas mɛ na ase.
Traba cars. So ɔmo yɛ tani. Fɛn sɛ.
Sɛ Traba kɔkɔ mama na ti kɔ sɛ me I don't think sɛ ɔsi yɛ kɔkɔ because yɛ kɔkɔ a Traba so kɔkɔ mama na di bi o wɔ di bi ana sɛ ɔsi sɔ ɔmo de Traba na afei no mo hu.
Kwada so no mo ni sɛ Samuel. Yɛ ɔmo kan Samuel.
Me da se. Right me da se. Ma me kɔ regional secretary regional organizer so. François. Deɛ kɔɔ so free me menda ebi si na no biara ne master right beti.
Say officer no say we dey only be never try na I'm all for her shall say they need am all really can share what for the party benefit with me ever try to get so abra who finish the ever deliver yourself assassin so talking to all the Obia Michel. What shall I do? Regional Minister not be ditched. Obia Michel. Regional high so many districts, municipals. MMDC is almost at Mantema. Mayor, a couple. The Chomina. The regional executive, regional chairman, Chamaun to me, regional executive, executives. Polling session for Brown, I'm seeing really. We don't move the amateur. Now, Miss NCDP said last week Saturday, now you're hungry. Or more petrova. Ubas and Timantem have. There were 44 sitting MPs. Now, you go through primacy in a selection or whatever. Forms buying, renting process. Now, we took to just say, out of the 44, who's 16 here? As far as now, we'll be no money. I'm praying. Okay. Today, I want to just say, we have an acclamation. The acclamation here, also. Let's say, out of 16, there's like 28. It's when we did travel, it's now so the two about 20 or 27 constituencies. Now, for the very first time, because of COVID-19, now we can see a total electoral area by electoral area basis. I mean, the safety protocols was adhered to
during election time.
During the election time.
Okay.
It's the electoral ban PVA, coalition was done at the one center. Some of them was the party office, but most of them not to be a coalition. And then they go back any being community or constitution level.
I want to safety protocols in your had break here.
Oh, say how many constituencies now most safety protocols?
Me banti, when I just saw Kumawood, mention of. So at least I've been able to give you about 6.
Oh, 4 now.
Oh, so maybe I made me call you.
Okay.
Now something one time, I don't know. So we'll be so
go for 44 constituencies. They say out of 44, now say 4. Now say 4. And I will say, after the event, among for because of more happening with maybe one way or the other, one go beyond what they were expecting. It's rather unfortunate, but this is to war 4. Now the 40 of them, everything went on well. So you should give the party a class. Say your practice safety protocols. maybe before I go into detail with regards to a sort of allegations I need to try here. I mean, for okay, so and for more many various
season.
Abaso. Almost as well. One ain't many better luck next time. Now, I never quite know our parliament and said, "Hey, you know, sir. Say, you're two of you as parliamentary candidates, not in the main one. The tears are too much to be a higher court, and they said, because we'll be able to the woman to well with automatically.
Or MP.
To do what? If you're going to so a trial, and this is not a three. Or one contesting in this. We'll be in our this in you. Women are party mark or women Timu. So it's not any about the very. Now, there are three commitments every member of parliament. Rules one, your commitment to part delegates. Should be the name, so you to a near a short. Why in this Kawana or Penimaka Crabby? One admission, admission, 1 year scholarship, we are new year. Something small, be a Juma to the trust would go near a short. Commitment to the constituency as a whole. Actual value as parliamentary candidates. Or the MP. Constituency is a competition why you go to. The commitment to parliamentary work.
Okay.
But sometimes here like you or I know why you are loaded at parliament. It is most a true sir. Now parliament is not a jumano. At your what time the long to be trouble in my headache. We were both trying to say you don't get up and coming a you for now. The man do air one do not yet trouble a you. Best dress it. See the man does not draw her. More or more feeling. Okay. But also, you know, one more Lucy, part in the Duke. You say, the man will not have with the registration. Upon a test case, Best said, one more are winning now. Women are from no get to my team. Well, I come here 4 or 5 months, near trouble. When we get to my team, my parts in the Uncle Power. The Jumantia obey was not president or any the minute inshallah Ghana for beside Amana for another man was up first. Their trouble a year was president. The president was our appointment to give. Till you have lost your MP position, and the president in your due to your hard work and choose you to become a CEO or any other appointment you expect. Me as a regional organizer. What this week I started saying here and said, all various aspirants will lose your seats in Mr. Fresh Row. My friend, you can come, according to my friend Ojumi, my friend Inspector MP, my friend Professor Abdallah, my friend Colonel Mankwa. Oh, my friend Prof. Kam. So, my friend very.
Were you surprised? Results nearby and I said, we'll be what the other who said the modern body wasn't producing Lucy.
Womoko Abatro as a regional organizer, him say, and I'm saying, Ominai party how to remain neutral. We are meant to be. You made the other Abatro, but maybe you marry the Pia. We don't become near party. So the answer. As to say, we a deep and I'm surprised, no.
Okay. Now, Brother, you tell me, you have the issues about the visa.
I remember it was it. One man will tell me, I can't say we will have to was it. What he had, I can't say you are. Was it? Deputy Secretary. Army officer, they brutalized them. By the way.
Of Jazz.
On I did only one man come once.
Oh, say your tea.
Ah, they are the artisan one. You're 47 days more. What he had said, where trapped the where trapped or refuge. What my I said? Okay, said NDC period. Not it to HH University goes. Oh, quite a long trouble. I tell the top, I tell the University for man. Who is a Johnny Mappa? Musabu Nipa. I tell you what I say.
But no, yeah, at that time.
I tell you what, but so question. I tell you what I say.
I may not be able to tell now.
But sir, any other over 20,000. It is how will be told you could share. Now, what do I think we play the young girls? Ask President Mahama now, he ain't competent now. You see a tone, a young tone. When they are already ever become MPP Prime Minister. Hannah Bisu, she had been the Biblia of a young boy and this new boy. Only your Prime Minister, or take former, or yet accounts of Sika, when you're better, young girl. What's the way to say? Wait here, or couple. For the man, what's some without them feet, there was a mine. You understand? Hannah Bisu. Flash screen, TV, fridge. You know, the refi. And that material moment, and the refi. And all the time I say, a year, wait, shall we be? Yeah, not from some end for them. Not from.
But Francois, what young way say, one person, one deputy secretary of Santa Rita, or call elections. Yabon.
Oh, dear.
So you say, oh, how far I want to talk about? I said, names be a free.
Why the boy?
What's it? Yeah, I listen to his.
You see, get your facts right.
Okay. The equation is a brief more. But mobile investigating.
You investigate. But would you want him? One member trying to anchor. Member trying to. Because worse things has happened in their party. Worse things has happened in their party. You can't be blowing hot and cold. So what the man can say? Their party. No, no, the can say, look, if you are looking at party of violence, woman, it's in your blood. You are aware. One party paying for the crime. So if you can, they are looking for a party who can unleash violence. You put me inside NDC. But you know about your party, matters are rising. The way forward. The way forward, they say, I mean, I am doing. All the 44 constituencies in now. About the island, 12 years. That 12 years, you see, I mean, Chad is Supreme Court, so rule in Lamba. The crime might be the first number of meetings just they say all eyes attention be clear towards the voter registration.
I believe that
the party is associated. There are certain reconciliation committee.
Okay.
You're on national level there or regional level there or
we didn't think we will say a mafia me now maybe send this question. I said, Mike, say a mafia me and I say young come Sabayadi. Who will a mafia pie if you the mafia?
No matter what it is. Say the TPR, part in painful. You say, if you have no apartments, maybe for one reason or the other, you might tell me, say, my mafia. Initial stages never come out, I was sorrow. Because if you say a party no and year. The initial stages no, but when you say if you have any other way, or no kasa, or come say all supporters of do it. What would anyone come across temperature? There was 70 degrees, but you will be able to more temperature than at above. Said the bear, a commander above from no, who made so. I didn't know what supporters or sympathizers to compare in Caucus. Because I didn't.
What do you
Said the way what do you say? And no, because you be a. The one going to be any man. Anna, dear, what will you so? I tell one what in that. Because you hear some women in Macabo. One woman you know, we are asphalt Macabo. One of the constituency executives, polling station executives, all the other aspirants, I know what teacher fooling in Abacabo. because never be registration. You are no feeling because you're coming. You may a rally, say a door to door coffee campaign. It's no, your reconciliation committee. Because I thought me and Cassava function also.
For me, just on when you're worried about the alleged vote buying, of course.
Before then, we used to what the tribalism. We would in here, and this is for 10 beer. Person we tribalism by party politics. When we want catching, when you feel Abraham, who's a communicator? When was the last time I was in the call radio? What made you left him? Also, on your son, you want to be in call radio.
I say something for
oh, find out, say, sounds so make a year, the crowd is being a Fred Abano.
Mo has a mobile Fred Amamia na
One call radio,
so more than clarify this one. And this was it.
What I say, when you listen, also on your kind name. Such a mechanism. But he ain't come. Now, but I say, Abdallah, you're tuned because most one are Santina. Now, oh, what I say. Oh, but now I say, Dr. Nyama, you're tuned because, look, when you're not the Korean already. And then,
I was no money at
that
that
time. For now, or trouble a ye Abdallah. I'm on the question of my name or Russian with you. Or what's the
right.
In the same way, or what's the
first one?
What are so 3 aspirants in the July? In our super demo.
From woman,
Dr.
Kingston
Nyako. On the share National Accreditation Board. Volume D. Vincent Manu, Medal but on the down
deputy CEO.
Volume D. Dr. Newman and Kasemu. So what has changed? The same delegates are trouble. Well, if say and they are more next day they are more right. What's the problem?
Good. Ambassador and farmer Godswick casket. I say any would this be the free moon and opese bomodia na usie no pampa so a bomodia na be na kachi if on that cano ye fe pa and obama wa ba kwesi odihye no esa so na pe bisia e dey ayi no opa ambulance abefa emu no ewo mortuary e dey be ko fie be sada kwesi ya obetimi ama obi video coverage afei decoration awodo nyina so no wo se obeye e dey ama eye no ka nyina no befa eye no wia na discover to be da we no interest bia no any ho Godswick casket ewo Kumasi Asafu Liba runabout kwa ena owo wait me afre ankrato ewo 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 na fi onso etimi ajo so sanso ena Mohis Eba Center Dr. Muhammad Isa Bebu was bra an award winning doctor 2019 on na Ghana ina ebo na ba se be ni yare dia wote te yare bia ha bia no ehia ne se baba Kumasi odwum anwoma so domi abra ona doctor wo odi odwum a taxi drivers na mo no wo so ko Mohis akachi odo be ko na yare bia ha bia no doctor etumi anam nyame kwa so etumi asa yare mo ena ebo management na ba fanye nche no ko so bra na yenyamre enkenkan entumi empa me twa mo na sisi ame ba yenyamre na afi ya bawure mu enra the course so the highest court of the land, the Supreme Court, and interpretations are aba Yes, I am a Busia Fakaba, and from a Silopi on Kumawood TV. I didn't say Brandon Yam and Camera Pem, if your marathon as well, my friend, at the Wajan channel at me, Abba. And Supreme Court at the judgment by NDC Echo Court. Now, they know woman training in an as of Enra, and they say Nanka Court, no Maquine. Now, you have old voter ID card, no, Enka. The current regulations are now say CI 126 no, a name a passport and a national ID card no. Na me and sign a grant agreement correct mu anka bem. Yan banko trading nyame aduma on the 30th of this month. Court abagu. Seven be brave. His Excellency the former president Enra Okasai at the chair of mine say the course on any anya ho na emum o man ho do ntino o ma dia tum sa NDC Bekoso, I involve myself in the upcoming voter registration exercise now. Including the crab in family bar. And go alas, when a court, the best I say on go, nothing, that was.
Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, earlier today, the Supreme Court of the Republic of Ghana gave its ruling in a case brought by the National Democratic Congress against the Electoral Commission of Ghana over its decision to compile a new voters register. Despite the well-reasoned reliefs we sought, the apex court of our land has given a leeway for the Electoral Commission to go ahead with the exclusion of the existing voter identification card from the list of identification requirements for the registration for the register. My brothers and sisters, we're deeply disappointed and we strongly disagree with the court over this outcome, which has confounded many legal experts and indeed has thrown the whole country into a state of confusion. Our legal team is examining this decision even as we await the full reasons for this judgment. It is also worrying that the court deferred the reasons for its decision to the 15th of July, a date by which time the EC would have been 2 weeks into the said registration exercise. My brothers and sisters, throughout its history, the NDC has stood strongly for an inclusive democracy. That is because our party is built on the principle that no one should be left out in the governance process of Ghana. This principle may be seen through the various of the Consultative Assembly, which prepared the 1992 Constitution, view of the Constitution in 2010, which stands out as the most comprehensive consultative program in our. This represents the handiwork of a desperate incumbent that, on account of its very poor performance in government, sees its very political survival only through the prism of manipulation of the electoral process to exclude a section of Ghanaians who they suspect may not renew their mandate at the polls. A caring, compassionate, and responsible government would not push us to the brink at a time.
Right, His Excellency the former president and leader of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, and Motini Kano. Na Nensa Kano was one, omo ye disappointed pa ruling na Supreme Court the eba enrano na they strongly disagree with the ruling ebio legal team no egu so a omo twen se omo ebenya akonya na omo ebetimi ehunu se enema no ensem e court so court no details pa no judgment no any saying the details no so no Supreme Court say eba on the 15th of next month na say ade no so sha 30 years nti so mo ka mo trans ya twen ya o be 15th no na registration ya 2 square twem nti party no ema no ene Ghana fo nyina no enkonko register but I say wampani eyisu incumbency ena ode tete Ghana fo na said ya wampani bia bu Ghana no nya sa na wampani we oye John Dramani Mahama Ghana penda na eka wase eni no I say isi no ne aban na kabu ena wampato mfa kwan bia so hwe na o hawba under this COVID-19 ena ya say yenye this exercise omo no say so eni some no doso binyamre na yedi komo na Jackson ticket to every man na
also you started discussion no ma shada can both parties you know how they engage in their primaries no on machinations on me man kan wasem matna krum ha hwe MPP in opposition and how they criticized and made a huge political capital out of NDC's primaries.
Okay.
And we na Yura Openi Francois Ebubobi and then also Openi Sewalas and so I catalog a huge banner headlines or any booklet or body a course in various constituencies need a course. As I say in Ghana Hania Wono, both parties should stop deceiving and say the money crisis is going to end today. See Kasamu amemu mono and ye be enye possible because on position can say obi ti abemu na or say sika odi sika nyafunya for the primaries obetra abemu a ususonya ade abet inevitable in our body politicking intino mesu say free na ekono ma obi a mejina TV so na radio so can say and na we mo ye primary sika ye cheche flash screen ye cheche kambu car ye cheche obi a che kambu obi so che flash screen obi a che bicycle obi a che moto ninyanya je che kro na what is it aim at inducing vote direction it if in econo there having observed the two political parties our macro primaries am mehu say obi a cheska obi a ye vote buy no mean so say metibiem way forward say met say obi one party B is accusing the other say call primaries no ko chase kenya funyafun wanye bi also eja wala saken so na opinion Francois so akan just say sa sikasem no practically it can never be taken out.
I mean,
it's even economic man.
Eben KNUST, or say I'm not sure the EC is independent and and as long as Akufo-Addo remains president, there is no way they can deliver independent and intellectual judgment in any case in Ghana. Okay, no dear, no. We say in Obuasi here, one of these secondary schools is here. Everything is finished, even the paints, but still the NPP administration stopped this work. They are discussion of maybe a different or the ever. Okay, DJ Omali and YOC Goss. So, the Supreme Court is right. The compilation of the new register to replace the old one, which is not credible and bloated, and visionary Nana Addo has performed better. So 4 more years for Nana and then Chana Modiaba Menchia and Mamreko. OPK Goss was here. Saying Ketia has disgraced himself and NDC by misinterpreting wrongly what the Supreme Court said about the new voter register. And also the Abba and Yawoza Swami was it now that the Supreme Court of the land has made it clear that the Electoral Commission has power to compile a new voter register. I plead with all and sundry Ghanaians to come out in their numbers to register. Okay, Yawoza Swami and also the Abba and I say please, Mr. Host, even if Nana Addo become the EC chairman, NPP will lose this 2020 elections. The Abba. Next time, yeah, for the Eka Hambra, name will be the free Nana Ya from Suhum, right? I say, I'm afraid for the NPP organizer, he should admit that they bought the elections. Highest bidder won, and we show them we are all Ghanaians. Okay. Also, the Abana Father Benjamin ranking from Angolas. Yeah. Now, more Supreme Court. Everyone, not going to send me. So far.
Mamicha, the parliamentary candidate for just the Canapona. Okay. So I suffered.
Honorable parliamentary candidate.
Honorable parliamentary candidate.
Okay.
Executive some wars are going to be free mandate to the court. Any never tear money. Now, Supreme Court is yeah, voter ID card and that at the papa.
Is that for the Supreme Court?
The Supreme Court, you see, it means you own voter ID card as a basis, which made Naswaya new one. Okay. Like you say, I didn't know. When you and they quit here, those who quit here, only the unique committee elections. Only the
old one.
No, old voter ID card now. That was an answer, Dr. Francois. Almost where in is it 10 to 52? Unique committee for a 2 Maba. Masia. And they are, I can say, you know, almost 2 almost this voter ID card here. Electoral commissioner CNN and electoral commissioner na so pass more see idea was CNN run give money. What sort of country do you live? Oh my baby. Oh, can say me say I official and then invoking of cases, financial maneuvering led to my defeat. That's Ben Abdallah Banda. Cases in also attending.
Hey.
Oh, my man, no more. We ever had no more.
What's it? What's say? You
almost say
to because of so attending.
We see what's cases. Cases more. And woman can say what
I don't know, be kind of chilly.
Sir, I
know, okay. But I'm is there. I'm saying that I don't know.
You the coffin so almost both. We are not almost here. Or you tell me what I watch it. In the money for the and in this sanity. Electoral commission and also to me say or yes said the remember the open. On the say or conduct or any new voters register. The name of you, Titi, Kata you, and you national Ghana card and Ghana passport. Tell me some words of the castle. No money. Ghana, no, yeah, another woman made me kai question. 3rd of October 2012. 3rd October 2012. Minority leader rise to Mahama. 2012 minority leader no 18 years old. Daily guy, so many people. Freddie Blake, we were. I really didn't believe. I put forward what it's our enemy. Oh, original black when ambassador to Germany.
No. Oh, but I don't know. Would you call it our remote? I said this one is below best. And for this one.
Because we're good.
No, I want to say.
What did you not go to Germany? Now, Friday is on track. I want to follow on the TV.
I'm mature to decide.
You can't say, oh, you're mature.
Social distance.
Say, can't you see what you know?
Yeah, the time
Number one. Oh, me can't say you, me can't say a young assassin. Oh, T. Say, some and your authority at that time. What they command, President Mahama, T. the Oka, oh, this person. What they command, President Mahama at that time, and T. the Oka. A confidential letter written by minority leader of 30 minutes to President Mahama over the controversial 45 constituencies have been stumbled upon by the daily guy. Now, since here, Kumawood TV, here, I can say. The letter dated September 18, 2012, entitled Appeal for Restraint in the creation of additional 45 constituencies, chronicled a series of turbulent events, urging Mahama to add his voice to the numerous appeals to the Electoral Commission to suspend the new seats he's creating. One, Chairman Sabu Suneka said, 2012, he created new constituencies, Electoral Commission and South America for Ghana. Or see what ya, and then Tokwan will be Ghana. Then President Mahama on country and now and then the same Electoral Commission, no, not the same person, but the same institution. Oh yeah, dear, I am for Kasa, teacher for Kasa, my friend say, international committee Kasa, we Kasa, Chairman supposed to see Yana money in the Electoral Commission. You see the contrast? You say something yesterday, the day after, you are saying something which contradicts what you say some time back. When the journey near Breno, the journey near Bresa is all you will see. And the TMP before so near Bresa is all we have performed. Monga Chairman Sabusuna, like I say. 22nd December 2019, you see the Biabi question. NDC can never win election with new voters register, majority leader.
But many one-on-one, full intent, bear one now, or clarify sorry. But that's what occurred now, as more interpreting wrongly crowd.
Quoted, just as they did in the case of the referendum, they are doing the same with the voters register. A register both parties acknowledge is bloated. Now they are against a new one by the EC. They are doing this because they know they never ever win an election in the country with a new register. Chairman Sani was never into a country or say, see a new register, buy a battery won't win here. Let's now make a new and make them not to.
Or say more come about from movie. Because you have registered here and I said more complete.
Oh, Canada Japan say, what's the big one winning a bay? No movie. I can't deny on video. I will have a minute. So, it is one more come here. You work because we have never won any election with a new register. How can you say this? 2012, we are a new register. They are winning. 2012, they are winning. 1995, so Nima Chairman Sabusui, 95, yeah, a new register under Rollins. 96, we won. And was he way there? Yeah, young winning. And what country was I say, I'm from a winning? No, I come on not to me, they protested in any way. Supreme Court, 2012. No, it's 2014. A good Ramadan case. 2014. Papa, you're feeling a good Ramadan. So, and also, me, a friend could be you more picking at with the National Health Insurance in the Korea register. I said, I'm calling it as a voter. Into original million into Bia or the health insurance Korea, and free, then voters register. They become or the book Ramadan, maybe we could do Amadi. Well, we are good Ramadan free, Niger. To an enemy. Now, I am a big baby of free Damasi. We see the enemy free now, woody and come. Said I am kind of fully for run to Samira to beg for increasing in their Ghana card. Fully for almost one way, fully for me now. Normally, a man of Ghana card will be normally almost quiet as all Ghana for. It is almost say all Ghana for. And you almost Samira or no more than a Ghana card, but also if you are in.
So I'm going
Supreme Court ruling say, I didn't contradict you. Tina, Emma, I see you get here, yes, I will. We try to leave two now. I see 2 and 3. You said 2, no say.
the relief is granted.
The relief is granted.
Subject to. Yes.
I say, remember, relief is granted, subject to the use of the CI 126, something and what.
Public amendment.
Me say electoral commissioner or new voters register. Old voter ID card. On fan documents will be used and new voters register. And the electoral commission say, obey new register now. On fa old voter ID card no. And come.
What is the how 1 minute?
Now Supreme Court now can say, the work my dear to. Because what dear to my judge say you old voter ID card no. Nani papa na wasa can say no electoral commission no use Ghana card any passport any registration. What is the meaning? I say Me say, catch a electoral commissioner said, old voter ID card. Yemfa enka the August will be a with him. So you must it. My amount said, Yemfa old voter ID card enka documents of the year. No, as I can say, electoral commissioner they use Ghana card, ne passport name.
To one tiasi.
Which is
okay, and the explanations no proper one. Interpretation of the judgment will come on 15th. Let's wait.
And Mahama can say, what's our can we say electoral commissioner non coso? And starting here, we see on the 30th November.
Yeah.
On starting on the 30th, no, see the chairman can say, use voter ID card, no, 9 moon, what I say, we say, use voter ID card, but all the country now, you now, was starting now to you. You know, to me, no, how many appeal? I feel now, all my areas are over because you want 2000.
If the Supreme Court says yes, who is an opposition leader to say no? Was it not this same Supreme Court that made Mahama the president in 2012? We are in comfortable lead with peace. We already enjoying. We rainbow kaswa the abano. Dr. Baba Zamu, Master Planner, Kintampo, was a greetings to Honorable Esiedun Ketia. Why is it that he doesn't have Ghana card or why is it that he doesn't have Ghana card or passport? Honorable, don't worry, I will come and guarantee for you. 4 more for not to do more. Yes, I say more manipulative, easy, any Supreme Court. The West from John Dramani Mahama, former president.
Oh, you OBR Michelle. Was it? Yeah, I manipulative. Oh, okay. 95, no one another president.
Right.
Yeah, parts very low power.
And
There's one manipulative easy. 2012, one another power.
the same man.
Good. There's one manipulative electoral commission. In one breath, was it electoral register can't win election. Say a true evil from now. The first say what true evil from. I don't just say about what we need. And this is wrong. We do more young papa. Ah, this is your true. From time easy as over true. Ever since I made and this year 28 press conferences. 28. Demonstration and this is for iron so 7. Okay? The cost of one press conference is about 20,000 Ghana cedis.
I don't know what
20,000. Multiply 20,000 by 28. Press conference from my end. And look at 560,000. Cost. Demonstration. Omoye Okumase. Omoye Yemfa. Kikani nyina name. Press conference nyina de mu one. A car NDC for these two demonstration the press conference is about 38 billion. So when him say you throw the easy throw the here. Na say ma the first year throw the omo be throw the omo ya gara for. So when him say he register keke does not guarantee say what we need about. Why do you waste precious time? When you tell and this is problem. When you say wrong candidate, so when himself, I dare we a bad product. I'll just be beating about the wish. What would we say our president? You know, for 3.5 years, me know can say one new message. And confront the open motocro over. Wow, president. What deep president? What tonight in change for 3.5 years. Let the open watch it. Wouldn't be. Wouldn't you?
Oh, was you in here? So now,
just mentioning say asumasi bobo machidom. Won't make us say asumasi. All people you know why? Omo probia ni ntie. Ni bibia it's about them. Oh, sikasemu. One more probia, che obakaya emre bi adongo koye press conference. Oh, Ghana sikasemu. And this if for don't wanna contact the janichi. Mo kasa wie no. Some guy. Why were they referring at Dongo as Baumia? Because Omamu ni ma papa bi e wo Baumia. Omamu say eniema kasia MPP aban aye interior ha bi esi na most of them are coming from Baumia. So they are looking for because he's looking for somebody almost so many credentials just like Baumia, and he's not getting it because one day you have accompanying.
Is it what free is he or no?
Maybe we'll test him to what's it. So to make an say, no, one day a friend is saying, I got time, very quick. I pray a fast who you grab to now crown. I have a lot. You could hear me. And Miss Ata Subobo, it is our obvious process. Put in an animal boy, put in a chisel boy. And that's why it me say, no me admire child. Yeah, acclamation. Nana Kufado, and Baumia, the best play you have ever seen. Yeah, acclamation. Yeah, acclamation, you're not still like, especially in Mama. What will be cried not by the crown? Because we'll be able to pay no dodgy. We'll be a dodgy. On the market on the wall said, dear, along last, but never balance as well, and who was it? It's not about the running mate, it's about the person. If a chrono dear, you will not turn and talk, and you're simplicity. Now you're brought back to a last Supreme Court. Tell me. There's a sentence for someone who say, if the Supreme Court was there, why do you go and dodge and nam fiche? Wouldn't say, what Jimbrati? That's Supreme Court here. Yeah. They're 12 about 2012. We went straight to Supreme Court. Are you aware? Yeah. Good. They are going after the hour. They are going to demonstration. They are came out. They are going to press conference. Straight to Supreme Court. The end thing not for that Supreme Court. It is a EBIA, this is your half of compiling. Won't tell once here. And go straight to the Supreme Court. One go Supreme Court. And now they call a press conference and now demonstration. And at long last, it was some of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, they come out. What's the one? Supreme Court, no, and preventing EC from writing the two. The Supreme Court, no, and share EC so about chopra now. One for voter ID card, you can just and the Supreme Court told us first, Master. You say which is which? Yibako.
I got 2 minutes. 9,
Yibako. I say, what here? Was say, and yeah, may ye. They may prevent easy. Now, for the what press say, easy no other on trading. No person easy no any voter ID card here. And I easy no about 7 1 and on the final way I upper and run. My name said now, I see look at here. 2012, Philip Addison Busan said. Based on who knew the over 34 experience in 2012, as I say, put the 8 can wire 42. Based on who knew the okay, I see Philip Addison is on your lawyer. Now the certificate they call in their law, now say Supreme Court, our woman the judges see I can summon here. Preoccupy. And then one. Now I see you look at here, I'm on the lawyer singing in a chief. Or don't never church quickly. Or say the Apex Court in a unanimous decision on Thursday till I'll say the Supreme Court has granted our request for the inclusion of the existing voter card for the compilation of the register. And footro and a year a look at here, no or two Ghana for me. Supreme Court, they have a yakra say, Ojina Wona, Central for a journey. I won't say no. Lawyers now, who go to that court, there are two things. I say, lawyers no one in pass. Assuming that there's some walking and from.
And I say,
Buapaya, Apro, and football, and an old who took it.
That's it. I'm Jackson. It was also good. When it was our head, Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Francis Admarco, Francois, regional organizer, the NPP, and I will take it. I'm Jackson.
Yo,
Enra, your course, coach.
Enra, the course, in fact, to the beer, Francois, baby, Omo, Shania Makudu, to be Ayana, the politics in Fab baby, and I be Kakra. Was when we are discussing an issue, Ayana, a penny say. Some of us had a penny say. But of course, Yammy wishing Tina, obey tone, but it becomes more healthier when the merit of the issues are discussed thoroughly without bringing in certain angles, being or proper candidate, and it doesn't more discussion, in my view. Because a her end decision, so President Mahama and former President Mahama can be different there. Contrary to the Supreme Court, if we are very undermining now, and there we can discuss it. But the persona about Yendija is our kind of politics, the persona about the Etona Yento, you'll be managing around him. These are areas. These are areas sometimes. I'm not discussion. Maybe a person you who ni sibre no na achia kakra modaroma. But maybe I'm person ye first of all, so here me mashada kind.
Okay.
Ruling no. First of all, the EC is not seeking any relief. The NDC party that is seeking the relief from the Supreme Court. Enti ohwe oko when relief sin bebre homo a I say relief 4 dismiss, relief 5 dismiss, relief 6 dismiss is dismissed. The entire it means some obi PVB and the Supreme Court in their wisdom and in the explanation of the law what dismissing that relief is it cannot be granted. Until when you said relief 2 granted, granted of which? But I say the moment I come baby, I say relief ni boma straightforward dismiss. I just said that relief cannot be granted. But when you say granted, when on that aspect, and then maybe more say Supreme Court, the ruling is quite ambiguous. But the statement would have been, and I meditated in Zenzembi say, Nanka obi suggest say yema this issue in the telecasting live. Now and devoid of any suspicions because we are taking information. Say what was said verbally at the court, is what I said and then what was written is different from what was said. It can be telecast in TV so say there any can audibly will be out the call here but still but maybe and just said
this one no
me say certain rumors are coming out yenye na me be ya asabaka wa ha ultimate say certain rumors but when you na make confusion ba system nim but them just say when a certain portion of the ruling you say relief 5 dismissed, relief 6 dismissed. It just says somebody is seeking a certain relief and it has been dismissed. And when somebody is also seeking a certain relief and is granted, it starts with the sentence starts with the word granted. It just say but okay fully, it just said the Supreme Court did not agree to the position of the NDC. When you finally when you end, because this relief is granted subject to the fact that all eligible voters must make themselves available for registration as directed by the Electoral Commission pursuant to Public Election Registration Voter Amendment Regulation 2020 CI 126. So here beginning Akasa will send some level of the Supreme Court siding with the NDC's position. But at the end of this, then it ends by saying that the current CI, is what should be used. The construction, also the drafting, should have been simple.
No.
Maybe
simple
to
you.
Maybe I don't know. You see, that is.
Lawyer for buy an party.
Say me, but say no expressing a legal opinion.
Okay.
Obviously, a lawyer needs to express a different legal opinion. Isn't no confusion? Wherever expressing legal opinion, based on this drafting, and I say based on this ruling, he's entitled to express a different legal opinion to this.
Okay.
Obviously, entitled to express a different legal opinion to this. So where does the truth lie? And I make us say, per the making there. So because at the end ambiguous, to some extent you may grant it. And but them because me for say there be a court now here, the court now here really 5 dismissed. It is a way NDCDA say other people has also filed similar reliefs. Oh, there's some canning in our bomb really here. Relief 1, I say relief 1 or strike or say relief 1 already struck out as withdrawn. What do you say? Already struck out. Until relief 2. Now the court says in constitutive say court need granted. The court didn't grant the relief, but went further to say so and so on. It becomes clear. But say granted. Pursuant to where media amount is literally meaning. We say Madia tum say ubetim the voter ID card no old one aye adwuma. Na mum ukodru voter e fanis ukodru ko na say easy no so the way na buy adwuma na wara ujejiriji. That's how we betimi interpret no. But media making card dey we nyina no. The Supreme Court has made a determination. Okay. Whether the NDC agrees to it or not. They are the law or the law speaks through them. So the Supreme Court has made a determination. Irrespective of how cogent you think your reasons and how superior you think your reasons are, or they call court to seeking that relief, the Supreme Court has made a ruling. But in Kenya, more simple and more clearer to the understanding of all Ghanaians are in Kenya. So for me, once it is clear, as the ending of it in Yabasa, Supreme Court now uphold the position of the EC, and that is what people must make do. Maybe the other aspect I'm person the way say the entire Supreme Court is what the interpretation ebeba or the ruling detail of whatever ebeba 2 weeks maybe they also want to observe how the event will unfold. Granted no the share no e woni meaning nko ana oto aso akosin so anu so de e kire nko because 2 weeks enyo a bit my one say the inconveniences and the what kind of may find say acrimony e be cause war system ni mu. The Supreme Court may also factor all into it because finally what the judgment about now I say me Kenya had the best answer. Where are the abano? That's what I'm saying that and ambiguity. I went further to read it. And in fact, when you ambiguous to you as an ordinary person. Some people but not a law student or lawyers need to crack. Yesterday I listened to some lawyers from the NDC side. Me pacho timi. Yeah, for lawyer ni ba ko pass am cancel. Omo nyina ya lawyer for omo ko Supreme Court obi eno top pan no ko gina obi anim. Both parties presented their lawyers. One party is saying it's ambiguous. One party is saying it was granted. One party is saying it's a law needs to say. And I'm saying per okay kan stay no net. Ye lawyer for. But send your admitting there. Per what we have now, it appears the Supreme Court has upheld the position of the EC. Until we are going by say Ghana card. Until NDC for be abezo mo with the ombeya. Womun chance ye kran 2% no adwoma makan no. Womun be ya womun nye because twu mutan udi se ne ade we abasese ne de 30th no unim na peja old one de si one man fact se ne woni so be si aye wo no wo be sere pa ba na wusu enti wo kwa Uni Ghana card ni bia pro bi no starting will be nkeka. Pacho will be ya mame, ya grant mame, then simple.
Right.
Fine.
Right, you fast that Mamo, he's about center. Dr. Mohammed Isa Ababiu said, what's your so and God's way casket. Almost so as name. Move say the producer say and the young fat course. Messages now bano. Minyamre, Namenkin Kai, and Mamo. From Isaiah Man Ventures, Chronom Opposite Market, was it now that the Supreme Court has ruled, Ghanaians should get ready with their passport and Ghana card for the new register. Nana Yao Jonas, okay. Nana Yao Jonas, I said, Mike, I'm watching you live from Nkoko. Please tell the NDC man to stop the propaganda. I do listen to him on radio. His propaganda has not changed even on TV. For more, for Nana to do more. Teacher Kujo Tepa in so NDC, how far is the Supreme Court case? As Asedun Ketia said in 2012, any idiot can easily go to court. The Supreme Court should have fined the NDC because they have wasted the time of the court and that of the EC. Abdul Rahman from Atebubu Amanten. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please tell the NPP not to blow their own horns. We, the people in this region, know they have not done anything for us. We will boot them out come 2020. Okay. Farouk Tema also writes, after all the media and legal gymnastics and then unnecessary qualification of the EC, we are back to EC's original position. Ex-President Mahama and his NDC should refocus their energy in helping build Ghana by being purposeful with their alternative messages. Greetings to Sami Ewuku. Okay, and also Eddie. Okay, I say watching you live from Seshi Akontomra. I'm the NDC constituency secretary. Your show is the best, but please tell the NPP man to stop bragging because we over here have made our decision, and the decision is that we are voting against their party. I know they are and no. I say, please, Sir Mike, I have been telling you on the show that all of us will come from Libya to register. In fact, we will come and register and vote this government out of power. Period. Samuel, and so they are there for Libya. Well, me go for the last batch of conclusive message Nafi Yemfa Enwi Ewo Ahasi. Was it this year's election? Ronaldo will win 100%. Mahama should stop the contest. Evans from Ntotroso Ahafo region. Okay, Evans Yadasi. Was it Angel Atok Bright from Obuasi Ashanti region. Please, Mr. Host, even if Nana Ado become the EC, no way for him in 2020. Okay. Your call. I'm here to Francois. Your time now. And that's just what I say. Call us now. Until they are both.
Hey, want it?
Really want it. Who be the fuck?
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Say time.
Ex-President Mahama say he's disappointed with Supreme Court.
Okay.
Assuming Katia and then the lawyers say they are happy to Supreme Court. I can't do it. Ex-President Mahama say he's disappointed. Assuming Katia and the NDC lawyers also say they are happy. So which is which? But yeah, the American actually Ghana for NSA. If brother ever you control should give from. Any kind from passport at all. A certain Katias only passport, not only Ghana card. It is paper, then on the call of which what's wrong with our budget? You said they will say, we need Ghana card. It won't be true. You heard? Uncle, what was here? We said, so Supreme, easy statistics or training, brother. What you did be answer on trend. Unim. And this is for sad the day on ye no. Over this who almost supporters. Anti-party resistant then they okay some good call. And then get about and this is for dog so away. So was on TV. Eyes are watching. The other said, easy statistics or children a brother every year with Ghana card, with passport. What would it be no? Whatever. Okay. The truck you register via you will guarantee hiring. It will be enough to try. Okay. BBNC Supreme Court, a Kessel security agencies. So what when young was your day? I
don't know security agencies in that
security agencies no.
So what?
So what young was your day say? What prevent to be said? And also what destroy electoral material?
Okay, me that's it.
Say okay. My. We na ba na
Ruling na ba now.
Kevin Taylor on the 6th of June, even over time. What see? Nana do that for any chief justice, Roma Cassette. Any.
It was an allegation
was it? Exactly.
Yeah.
And I'm sure was it.
Yeah.
Say there's a video.
Roma Cassette.
Nana
time na tuba. Roma Cassette. I don't want to say so.
Ranzo, I don't know.
Let me know.
I'm making it.
It means say,
right. I don't call the chief justice. I know the and that conversation
you're not being fair to my
in that conversation, another told the verdict on the case on Friday. The CJA should extend the case for the next 2 weeks and get the case in the EC so that people would not know. Kevin Taylor says it is a plan by the Nana Addo and the Chief Justice. That was why upon Kuma, get me by on Friday argument. Mr. Kuma Bay press conference said it's too early to jubilate. I think between the your friend says NDC and the EC. I then a government by press conference. Don't jubilate, too early to jubilate. Yeah, Kasa says K2 South. Nana do that quite before the soldier for immigration for not move for. About 2 months ago, almost say Lumi disaster be about Musua toy bubu from your own Ghana for almost the name of articulate cross over border and call at the command. All the song about Ghana by register. Yes, also one Ghana. Meanwhile, when the name of command for says here, I can say, I'm going to and or postpone all cabinet meetings. Yeah.
Because of COVID-19. Merci.
And so there's good forward.
Mama Jackson, you want water?
Oh, good. Yo. Yeah, but if we share the also say, we are better calling young, so you should be expected. But the American say, Supreme Court are making a final decision. What you say, would you tune in tomorrow? This will call review. Until so be able to review, no. You see, Maka say points now the NDC espoused and so on Supreme Court, no. Upon hearing them, would say a very cogent points pa. But in the wisdom of Supreme Court, no, we're making decision, and everybody must go by that decision. Now, me say, and now we are chino, and you be who this is Sansoa, and the Bema of mine. Whether good or bad, we live to see. But for now, the Supreme Court has spoken.
Jackson, a social commentator, and Obekai Wansanso, and Sir Wallace Abebu, Ashanti Regional Administrator at the NDC, the Ashanti Regional Organizer also for the NDP, Dr. Francis Admakon Francois, so ebe kan o me dey Michael nana adwako for say Michael producer Bernard Ade the producer Samuel Kwamna Edako cameraman and new director Kobe Frank and then production manager Ochi Nozo the one MCR and BTR Augustina and Afiso Lorita na me aduma Monday 4:30 to 6:30 the website Atnasi Dakram
na also